It's time for car versus car contest. Every week, 2 contestants will show off their car with 90-second videos to compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card from me. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants.
1, 2, 3, 4. Run up your engine.
Hello guys, this is my 2016 Porsche Boxster Spyder. Porsche only produced around 2,000 of these worldwide, making it pretty rare. It has a naturally aspirated 3.8 liter flat 6 engine from 911 Carrera S, producing 375 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque, and it weighs around 2,900 pounds. It has fantastic steering response thanks to the steering rack borrowed from 911 Turbo. The interior is a fine mixture of leather and Alcantara, and the 6-speed manual is the only transmission available. The brakes on this car is so good, and they also borrowed from 911 Carrera S. To shed some weight, the top is operated manually. I have the optional carbon fiber bucket seats straight out of 918 Spyder. There's no better feeling than driving this thing on the back road with the top down, going full throttle. The car has all the things I wanted: a beautiful, light, mid-engine, rear-wheel drive roadster with manual transmission. And listen to the sound. Thanks for watching everyone, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hey guys, so this is my 2013 Camaro 2SS. It's equipped with 6.2 liter V8, making 426 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. Some of the mods that I've done to the engine is a few bolt-ons. I have a SLP cold air intake and an SLP catback exhaust system. Some of the exterior mods that I have are some ZL1 wheels, carbon fiber hood, equipped with 4 piston Brembos all around. So the reason why I got the Camaro is actually I watched the Transformers movie when I was 9 and fell in love with the body style. So ever since I've been small, I've always wanted this generation Camaro. So once I found the funds to be able to afford one, I actually came up on this one, and it had everything I wanted. Just a little background on why I bought the Camaro, and thank you guys for checking out my Camaro.
Well, that was this week's videos. And remember to have your car shown here, and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.